What you doing, honey? Plumbing?
Plumbing. Yeah, look at this thing from the sink up there.
What's the issue here?
Huh?
What's the issue here?
Water leaking. It's clogged because so many stuff in there, I think.
Mm-hmm. You gotta open up the one on the left. And pull the whole thing down. And then,
There's just water here.
it's not even running through. You have to open up the one on the top. Close that. Open up that one on the top.
No, I mean if it run down, then it's good. The water come down, so it's good.
I think it just needs to be tightened. Here's those blue things like broken.
It's not broken. So the water out now. That's it.
What do you think?
What?
What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah. Good.
Good job, honey.
You should shame this. That's all.
Soft now.
Something would fall down one day.
Yep.